Question 55, what is the period of the function f of x equals cosecant of 4x? So the period is asking about the inside. There are 4 times that you can draw a curve, so there are 4 curves inside of a 2 pi period. So if I can draw 4 full curves in 2 pi, the question is really asking, how long does it take to go to only 1 curve? So if I can do 4 in 2 pi, how many times do I go to 1? So I would actually just divide this by 4, divide this by 4. So 2 divided by 4 is 0.5 or 1/2. And this is, normally it's pi, so 2 pi, so it's 1/2 pi. So our answer is E. And another way you can remember this, the period is actually 2 pi divided by your b value, and in this case your b value is 4. 56, looking at the question, what is the expected value of x? Okay. So at the school carnival, Mike will play a game in which he will toss a penny, a nickel, and a dime at the same time. He will be awarded 3 points for each coin that lands with heads face up. So stopping right there, the fact that it's a penny, a nickel, and a dime means nothing. You just have 3 coins. So 1, 2, 3 coins. He will get points if it's heads face up. So let the random value variable x represent the total number of points awarded on any toss of the coins. So what's the expected value of x? So what's the expected amount of points is what it's asking for. So expected value is when you do the sum of the value times the probability. So the first coin, to get heads up, the probability is 1/2. The second coin, the probability is 1/2. The third coin, the probability is 1/2. So the value is 3 points if I get heads. So I'm going to do the sum of the value times the probability. So my first value times probability will be 3 times 1/2, which is 3/2, plus, for the next one, I'll also do 3 points if he gets a heads up. So that's also going to be 3/2, plus the third coin, again, I want to get heads face up, so I'll do 3 points times the probability, which is, again, 3/2. Adding these together, I can use the calculator if I want to, but adding fractions, the denominator stays the same. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. So our expected value should be 9/2, which is h. For 57, the question is asking, for what positive real value of k, if any, is the determinant of the matrix blank equal to k? So it does give us a note, the determinant of matrix ABCD equals AD minus BC. Okay, so let's go back to the question. For what positive value of k is the determinant equal to k? So determinant equal to k. So we're going to say determinant equal to k. So how do we find the determinant? We do A times D, which is A times D, minus B times C. So in this case, we'll do A times D, so that's K times K, which is K squared, minus B times C, so B is 4 times 3 is 12. So it says K squared minus 12 is equal to K. So now this is the determinant equal to K. So let's look at our answer choices. If we use the answer choice of 3, so we would have 3 squared minus 12 should equal to 3. It does not, so A is wrong. Okay, next, 4 squared minus 12 should equal to 4, and it does. Just double checking, 12, so 12 squared minus 12 should equal to 12. It does not. Then we have the square root of 12 squared minus 12 should equal to the square root of 12. It does not. So D is gone. Now, because we had B, we know E is wrong because B does work. So the answer is B.